This is a thermochemical equation that's written in a slightly different way. It's indicating that our heat is a product of the reaction. And that simply tells us that this reaction is exothermic. And if we wanted to write a value for delta H of this reaction, it would be delta H is going to be a negative 670 kilojoules for the reaction as it's written. Let's answer the question. The question starts with 15.0 grams of glucose. We want to see how much heat is generated when a mole of glucose is metabolized. So we're going to need the formula weight. The formula weight is 180.18 grams per mole. You can check that on your own. Now this thermochemical equation is written for 1 mole of glucose being metabolized, so we can use this value directly. Okay, we have 870 kilojoules per mole that's going to be released, and we can convert that to joules by multiplying by 1,000. So the amount of heat that's associated with this, our calculator answer, 55777.56 kilojoules. Okay, we can take this as a negative value, so we know that heat's released. And we can only use 3 sig figs, so we'll convert this down to scientific notation and round up. We have 5.58 times 10 to the 4th calories.